Sonia's Happy Helping Day. Hooray! Hooray! It's a happy helping day, sang Sonia. Today is all about the letter H. The letter H makes a happy, breathy sound like you're out of breath. Can you make a huh sound with me? Ha ha ha. Sonia wanted to help her mommy. How can I help? She asked. You can help me hang the laundry, said her mommy. Sonia helped hang up the socks. 1 sock, 2 socks. H is for help, she said happily. Haha, help. The sun was bright. We need our hats, said Sonia. She found her happy yellow hat and put it on her head. H is for hat. Next, Sonia wanted to do something special for her mommy. She found her crayons and drew a huge happy heart. H is for heart, she whispered. She carefully colored the heart red and pink. It was the happiest heart she had ever made. Haha, heart. Sonia ran to find her mommy. This is for you, she said, holding out the drawing. Mommy's face lit up with happiness. Oh, Sonia, it's beautiful. Thank you for being so helpful. Mommy gave Sonia a great, big hug. H is for hug, Sonia giggled. We helped, wore a hat, drew a heart, and got a hug. What a happy helping day. Goodbye, friends. Have a happy day.